Welcome to the Fitness Idea. In today's video, we'll uncover how Surya Namaskar, also known as Sun Salutations, can become your most powerful tool for weight loss. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi, this full-body sequence combines yoga and exercise to help you burn fat, tone muscles, and improve flexibility. If you've ever asked, does Surya Namaskar help with weight loss? The answer is a resounding yes. Surya Namaskar is not just a series of yoga poses, it's a complete workout in itself. Performing just 12 rounds daily can increase your metabolism, strengthen your core, and activate key muscle groups including your arms, legs, back, and abs. It also enhances blood circulation, detoxifies the body, and boosts your mental focus. But when you gradually build up to 108 Surya Namaskars, the results are even more powerful, triggering rapid weight loss and improved endurance. This dynamic sequence includes 12 poses performed in a flow, starting with Pranamasana, or prayer pose, and moving through postures like Bhujangasana, also known as Cobra pose, and Adho Mukha Svanasana, which is downward dog. Each round engages your full body and combines strength, flexibility, and breath work, making it one of the most balanced and holistic exercises for fat burning. Surya Namaskar helps burn approximately 13 to 14 calories per round depending on your intensity and body weight, so doing 25 to 50 rounds daily can result in noticeable fat loss over weeks. More importantly, it strengthens your pelvic floor, tones abdominal muscles, improves digestion, and balances hormonal levels, all essential for sustainable weight management. If you're just starting, begin with 6 to 12 rounds per day and gradually increase. Focus on proper posture and controlled breathing. Don't rush. With consistency, you'll see a difference not just in your weight but in your energy levels and overall mood. Don't forget to stay hydrated and combine this practice with a healthy diet for maximum results. So, if you're serious about losing weight naturally and building a strong, lean body, Surya Namaskar is your go-to practice. Remember, yoga is not just about the body, it's also a path to inner wellness. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to The Fitness Idea and comment below with your Surya Namaskar journey. Let's stay fit, stay focused, and salute the sun together.